meditation, journaling, gratitude.
ये सब हमने सुना है and we all know how important they all are in our lives. But busy schedule का excuse देके हम बस निकल जाते हैं. We don't do what is right for us and what is good for us. Isn't it? In 2025, excuses देना cancel कर दो. Because in this video, you are going to learn how you can incorporate these 5 self-care habits only in 15 minutes. And 15 minutes तो हम अपने लिए दे ही सकते हैं, है ना? Hello everybody.
I wish you a very happy new year.
And this is my first video of 2025. And first है तो special तो होना ही चाहिए. That is why I have made this video specially for you to start your 2025 on a great note. So this video is specially for those who are busy in their life and often fail to take care of themselves. हम हर बार किसी ना किसी रेस में लगे हुए रहते हैं, किसी और की चिंता करते हैं and we tend to forget ourselves in the long run. So अगर आप खुद को थोड़ा सा भी प्यार करते हो, then taking out 15 minutes from your busy schedule is not a big thing. And 15 minutes तो हम अपने लिए दे ही सकते हैं, है ना? I promise you today that if you follow these self-care habits just for 15 minutes every day, you will see a significant change in yourself. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the first self-care habit, that is meditation. Well, I completely understand that meditation can be a bit boring at times, and some people dread to even try meditation, maybe because they think they'll fall asleep, or they think it's a very big task to do. So to simplify meditation and to help you incorporate this very important self-care habit in your day-to-day life, I have come with a very simple technique. So, disclaimer, this is my kind of meditation, and so please feel free to disagree on it also. So what I do is, when I get up in the morning, I sit with myself and I do not open my phone. I do not check anything on my phone for the next 5 minutes. You have to do this only for 2 minutes. Just sit with yourself, sit with your thoughts, and close your eyes and go in that state where you're talking to yourself. These 2 minutes will set the mood right to start your day
On a very positive note.
Believe me, try this just for 2 minutes every single day and you will feel the difference in you. The second self-care habit is positive affirmations. Now I understand that sitting in one place and talking to yourself, talking positive affirmations to yourself might seem silly. So here's a hack which you can do when you're brushing your teeth. So I discovered this hack in one of the YouTube videos and I found it very fascinating and useful at the same time. So what you have to do is, जब हम brush करते हैं सुबह सुबह, you just have to play positive affirmations on your mobile phone, and while you brush your teeth, which is just a monotonous task, you have to only listen to the affirmations. This might seem very vague, but believe me, it has a very great impact on our brain because subconsciously our mind is processing the affirmations and it is having a deep impact on our brain. So here what we are doing, we are utilizing those 2 minutes of brushing your teeth to listen to affirmations and get the most of those 2 minutes. So you can adjust the minutes as per your pace. That is not a compulsion or a rule kind of thing. But as I am giving you a 15-minute self-care routine, I am allotting certain minutes to certain self-care habit. So it's been over a month since I have been listening to these positive affirmations. And to be very honest, it feels magical. When I listen to these positive affirmations, even while brushing, while bathing, and then also while making my breakfast, it has a very a positive and a fresh start to my day. So I hope it helps you as well. So the third self-care habit is journaling. I'm not saying you write paragraphs and paragraphs in your journal first thing in the morning, but you can just make a to-do list, a simple to-do list, the task which you have to do throughout the day, or maybe a goal. For example, my goal for today was to shoot 2 videos. And also it is scientifically proven that written goals or everything that we write down is stored in our brain for a longer time. And this again will take 2 minutes of yours. Just a few lines and you're done for the day. Now the fourth self-care habit is a non-negotiable habit. You just cannot skip this. That is gratitude. So writing in a gratitude journal is the highest level of self-care you will be accommodating in your self-care routine. You can compromise on any other self-care habit which I've mentioned in this video, but you just cannot skip gratitude journaling. Maintain a separate book for your gratitude journaling. At least I prefer that. So I'll give you an example why gratitude is so much important. Suppose you're giving gifts to a friend every now and then, but that friend is not saying thank you or not appreciating you for the gift you're giving, and this is happening quite a few times. After say 10 gifts, would you want to give anything to that person again? No, right? Same goes with God. So when God is giving you things like food, shelter, air to breathe and whatnot, and in return what you are doing, you're not even thanking God for what he has been for what he has been giving you. So that's the logic behind gratitude. The more you say thank you, the more you express your gratitude towards the Almighty, the more gifts he will be giving you. So what I write in my journal every day is I thank God for the food I ate, for the shelter I have, for the family I have, and all the basic things which we have in our lives. But sometimes, all my journal pages look the same almost every day. But when I have achieved something big in life, my journal page would look something different. So I hope you are convinced by now, and you are going to start writing gratitude journal in 2025. And gratitude journaling should take you at least 5 minutes to write a detailed gratitude page. And the last self-care habit is, of course, my favorite, reading books. Yes. Again, you might say, ये तो सारे videos में reading घुसा ही देती है कैसे भी करके. Because it really has that impact on me, and it has numerous benefits. Reading books is the last thing which I do as my self-care routine, but you can incorporate it early in the morning when you have done with the first and the second. Maybe reading can be your third one. Like, you are free to modify the sequence of the habits. So this self-care habit will take you 4 minutes, and that completes the 15-minute self-care routine. On an average, a person takes 2 minutes to read 1 page. So every day you can read 2 pages before going to bed, or once you are done with your initial self-care routines of the day. I'm obviously been doing this for a long time now, and so I do not limit myself to 15 minutes. And if you do have more time in your hands, please extend these 15 minutes to 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 35, and so on. I really hope this video was useful to you, and you will take action on this today onwards. Also, मुझे comment section में बताना कि आप अपने लिए क्या करते हो. What you do for yourself that is non-negotiable. Like आप करते ही करते हो. I would love to know. Also, if you found this video useful, then please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling. Take care. Bye.